There's a notebook in your house that hates you. You know the one. Bought in January, beautiful cover, 4 pages of your best handwriting, and then silence. Now it sits on that shelf, judging you. Mine judges me too. So tonight, 2 things about that notebook. 1, the entire science of journaling fits in 1 hour of writing. Total, ever. And 2, the people who did it properly walked out feeling worse. And it still worked. Stay with me. By the end of this, page 5 stops being scary. You know the loop. Replaying today's awkward conversation for the 9th time. A thought in your head can loop forever. A written sentence can't. It has a beginning, and then it has a full stop. That's the entire pitch. And if your notebook died on page 4, that wasn't you failing the habit. That was the recipe failing you. So let's fix the recipe. 3 moves tonight. That's the whole game. Move 1. Pick your door. Because journaling is at least 4 different things, and the right one depends on who you are tonight. Door 1. Gratitude. For you, if you want a small weekly ritual, 5 things once a week. Expect a little lift, not a cure. Door 2. This one's mine. Morning pages. 3 pages by hand every morning. For you, if you're the artist type. Fair warning though.
Sterling, is there a controlled trial of that protocol?
No, my dear, there isn't.
Culture, not science. If the pages serve you, keep them, truly.
They do. Door 3 isn't really a door, pen or keyboard, it's a coin flip. Write wherever you'll actually write. Phone notes count, a napkin counts. And door 4 has a lock on it. Depression. A notebook can keep you company. It can't be the help. Please get the real kind. Most of you, though, you're carrying one specific thing right now. That's the main door, and behind it waits the strangest experiment I know. Move 2. The recipe. 15 to 20 minutes. The facts and the feelings together about that one specific thing. 3 or 4 days, then stop. The stop is in the recipe. Now you deserve to know where this comes from, so quick story. Texas, 1986. A young psychologist called James Pennebaker asks 46 students to write 15 minutes a night, 4 nights. One small group, 11 people, writes the facts and the feelings. 6 months later, the lab counts visits to the health center and picture 4 little health bars. 3 of them nearly quadruple. 1 stays flat. The 11. While writing, they felt worse. Blood pressure up, mood down, and the reward still came months later. Honest game design. Later recounts shrank the prize to something small but real, and the founder himself calls that first study horribly underpowered. So why trust the recipe? Because it's cheap, it's 1 hour of your life, and it's the only habit on this channel where quitting on time is winning. There's no streak to protect. Skipping days is the protocol. I once wrote about the same misery for 2 months straight, round and round. Pennebaker calls that navel-gazing. His advice for what comes after is blunt. Go jogging, see a therapist, go to a bar, go to church. My kind of scientist. Move 3. Tonight. If something's eating you, 15 minutes, facts and feelings, and you already know when to stop. If you just want better sleep, 5 minutes before bed, write tomorrow's to-do list, specific. In one sleep lab study, the list writers fell asleep about 9 minutes sooner. And if you only want the small ritual, 5 thankful things once a week. Fair warning on the big one, you'll feel a bit worse right after. Normal, passing, wherever you like, on whatever you like. So, the shelf. Tonight it looks exactly the same. Same notebook, same silence. But that notebook was never evidence against you. It's just a page that never got its recipe. Page 5 has been waiting since January, and it holds no grudge. So here's what I hope, that tomorrow, when the stress shows up, when the 3 a.m. loop starts winding up, you remember you have somewhere to put it. 15 minutes, facts and feelings. And if all of that feels like too much, write one honest line. One line counts. You write so the day gets an ending, so the night doesn't have to write one for you. If this earned its minutes, subscribing is one tiny choice, and the video right before this one teaches the voice in your head to finally say your name. Day 1 then. The log can watch. The full stop sounds exactly like a save.